New Jersey, the Garden State, known for its bustling cities and vibrant communities and beautiful coastline, has a new claim to fame that has everyone talking. Since November 2024, strange lights have been dancing in the sky, causing quite a stir among its residents. These lights have been seen in various parts of the state, from the rural areas to the urban centers. These aren't your typical twinkling stars or passing airplanes. They are something far more mysterious and intriguing. These are unidentified objects moving in patterns that have left many baffled and intrigued. Their erratic movements and sudden appearances have sparked numerous theories and debates. The sightings began as whispers, shared among neighbors and on local news channels. People would gather in small groups discussing the strange phenomena they had witnessed. But as more reports surfaced, the whispers grew louder, attracting attention from national media and sparking a wave of speculation. Experts and enthusiasts alike began to weigh in, each with their own theories. What were these mysterious objects? Were they drones? Or perhaps some new kind of technology being tested? Or could they be something more extraordinary? The possibilities seemed endless, fueling the imagination of many. The mystery deepened as witnesses described the objects' unusual movements. They would often change direction abruptly, making sharp turns that seemed impossible for any known aircraft. They would hover silently, then dart across the sky with incredible speed, defying the limitations of any known aircraft. The speed and agility of these objects were unlike anything seen before. Some even claimed the lights would change color or vanish into thin air. The phenomenon has left both skeptics and believers in awe as the search for answers continues. As the sightings continued, pressure mounted on authorities to provide answers. The Federal Aviation Administration, tasked with ensuring the safety of our skies, found itself at the center of the unfolding mystery. While investigations were launched and flight restrictions implemented, concrete answers remained elusive. The FAA, in conjunction with the Department of Homeland Security, issued a statement acknowledging the reports but stopping short of confirming any specific details about the objects. They assured the public that there was no immediate threat to national security, but admitted that the origin and nature of the objects were still under investigation. The lack of a definitive explanation only fueled further speculation. Theories ranged from advanced military technology to elaborate hoaxes. However, one theory in particular captured the public's imagination, transforming the narrative from a local curiosity into a global phenomenon. The possibility of extraterrestrial visitors has always captivated the human imagination, and the unexplained events in New Jersey's skies provided fertile ground for these beliefs to take root. Social media became abuzz with theories of alien spacecraft, with some even claiming to have captured images of flying saucers. One particularly popular theory, dubbed Project Bluebeam, alleged that the government was using advanced technology to stage an alien invasion. This theory, while lacking any credible evidence, spread rapidly online, fueled by fear and mistrust of authority. Even some public figures, like actress and activist Roseanne Barr, weighed in, lending their voices to the chorus of speculation. Barr, a vocal proponent of conspiracy theories, publicly questioned the official narrative, suggesting that the government was hiding the truth about extraterrestrial life. Section 4. Debunking the Myths. A look at the science. In this section, we delve into the scientific perspective on the claims and theories surrounding extraterrestrial life. While the alien theories might make for entertaining science fiction, the scientific community urged caution, emphasizing the importance of critical thinking and evidence-based reasoning. They stressed that without solid evidence, such theories remain speculative and should not be taken as fact. Experts pointed out that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, which was sorely lacking in this case. They highlighted the need for rigorous scientific methods to investigate such claims thoroughly. Astronomers and physicists, armed with decades of research and observation, highlighted the vast distances and logistical challenges involved in interstellar travel. They explained that the sheer scale of the universe makes such encounters highly improbable. The likelihood of an advanced alien civilization choosing New Jersey as their point of first contact, they argued, was astronomically low. They pointed out that there are countless other locations in the universe that would be more likely candidates. Furthermore, they emphasized that the absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. Just because we haven't found definitive proof, doesn't mean it isn't out there. Just because we haven't encountered definitive proof of extraterrestrial life doesn't mean it doesn't exist. The universe is vast and largely unexplored, leaving many possibilities open. However, it's crucial to approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism and to rely on scientific rigor rather than unfounded speculation. Only through careful analysis and evidence-based research can we hope to uncover the truth. Section 5. The unrelated enigma New Jersey shrouded in fog. As if the mysterious lights weren't enough, New Jersey residents found themselves grappling with another peculiar phenomenon, a strange, persistent fog that seemed to cling to the coastline. This fog, unlike the typical morning mist, was dense and disorienting, leading to reports of respiratory problems and even a few minor traffic accidents. Rumors quickly spread that the fog was somehow connected to the unidentified objects in the sky. Some whispered of government experiments gone wrong, while others feared the fog was carrying some unknown, potentially harmful substance. Conspiracy theories flourished, with some linking the fog to the alleged Project Bluebeam, suggesting it was a cover for the staged alien invasion. Others claimed the fog was a byproduct of alien technology, perhaps a way for the extraterrestrial visitors to mask their presence. Section 6. Fog unveiled, a meteorological breakdown. While the fog undoubtedly added to the sense of unease, meteorologists were quick to offer a far less sensational but entirely plausible explanation. They pointed out that the fog was a natural phenomenon, albeit a particularly persistent one caused by a specific combination of meteorological conditions. Fog forms when warm, moist air encounters a cooler surface, causing the water vapor in the air to condense into tiny water droplets. In New Jersey's case, the unusually warm ocean temperatures combined with a cold front moving in from the west created the perfect conditions for fog formation. This explanation, while less exciting than alien technology or secret government experiments, highlighted the importance of understanding natural phenomena before jumping to conclusions. Sometimes, the simplest explanation is the most likely one. Section 7. The Quest for Answers, a Call for Logic and Patience. As we stand at the cusp of a new year, the mystery of the New Jersey lights, much like the fog that briefly enveloped the state, remains unsolved. This enigma has captured the imagination of many, sparking conversations and debates across communities. The lack of concrete answers continues to fuel speculation, but it's crucial to remember that the absence of a definitive explanation is not an invitation to embrace the most outlandish theories. Instead, it should encourage us to seek out more information and remain open to various possibilities. The pursuit of knowledge and understanding is a journey, not a destination. Each step we take brings us closer to the truth, even if the path is winding and filled with uncertainties. We must approach the unknown with a healthy balance of curiosity and skepticism, always grounding our inquiries in logic, evidence, and a commitment to scientific rigor. This balanced approach ensures that our quest for answers remains rooted in reality. While the allure of the unexplained is undeniable, it's essential to remember that the most extraordinary discoveries are often the result of painstaking research, careful observation, and a willingness to embrace the unknown with both wonder and a critical eye. This combination of wonder and scrutiny is what drives scientific progress. As we continue to explore the universe around us, let us do so with a spirit of inquiry, tempered by reason, and guided by the pursuit of knowledge. In this way, we honor the legacy of those who have come before us and pave the way for future generations of explorers and thinkers.